What's up, my fellow biker around the world? Start the video with a traffic jam on this fine Saturday. It is a weekend holiday here in Vietnam, so there will be a lot of people out on the street trying to go somewhere to have some fun. As you guys can see right here, I'm currently stopping or moving at 2 to 3 miles per hour, and there's a lot of traffic jam here. Look at this bus, this old ass bus. So I just finished recording a video about Vietnam. Vietnam gonna ban motorcycle in 2025, and there's a lot of fun idea about that. But today we're gonna focus on the ride. You know, just how hot it is out here and how much crazy out here on the street in Hanoi City on a sunny weekend. There we go. Lot of cars down there. And what happened to you sitting in the middle of the sun? So today it's roughly around 85 degrees. It's pretty hot. The street is filled with people. So we're gonna take the usual road and go to my favorite coffee shop to have some tea. Some iced tea, some nice cold iced tea. Oh man, it's stopped. No, oh, it stopped. Yeah, it stopped. Haha. Before we go to the coffee shop, we're gonna do a quick drive-by to a place to replace my screen protector on my iPad. I want to do a paper-like screen protector on it, so I can do a lot more drawing on the iPad. I'm gonna take you guys inside in the busy street. I'm not gonna take this road anymore because this road there's not a lot of tree out here, so it's pretty hot, and also there's not a lot of things to show here because the street is pretty empty. So I'm gonna make a quick left turn right here, going into Hanoi Old Quarter. This guy with a bike with just the frame and the engine, literally no light, no nothing. So this is a part of a Hanoi Old Quarter, which is as you guys can see right away, is the street is really small. A lot of people, all kinds of people. Got some vendor, got some people, got some students, got this guy on his fucking phone trying to deliver some food, this guy jaywalking, this girl jaywalking, and these two girls just looking around to find something. And there's still not a lot of tree, but when we turn right here, we're gonna see some, yeah, we're gonna see some tree here. well, it's not as packed as I expected, but you know, still is a lot more than out there on the other road. Why are people going so freaking slow, man? This guy, what are you doing? Okay, you're cool, you're cool. The downside of these type of street is that there's a lot of stop and go traffic. There's a lot of red light, and there's a lot of people who doesn't care about the red light. They just go. I mean, I can understand, because it is pretty hot. People trying to get to where they want to go as fast as they can. So yeah. There's a police station here. Another red light. So over here we have a lot of red light, you know, traffic light, but there's not a lot of stop light, you know, stop sign. You have to stop, look both way before you go. There's not a lot here because, you know, the street is pretty small, and got these two just riding along and talking like a crazy man. The student, man. Okay, another red light, but it's turned green. Now, like I said, today is the first day of the weekend here. It is the celebration for the King Hung birthday, I guess. Oh no, not birthday. His death day, I guess. No, is that what you call? We celebrate to remember. Yeah, remember his last day, I guess. Oh, look at this tree, all chopped up, all crazy and shit. So yeah, so today is the first day of the weekend holiday. So there will be a lot of people going out on the street trying to have some fun. But the fun is not start until probably tonight. We got 3 days off, so Saturday, Sunday and Monday, so 3 days off. So it's not gonna get crazy until tonight, I guess, or maybe tomorrow. I don't really have any plan for going anywhere on the weekend, because Vietnam just finishing, you know, containing the COVID spread, and the people want to go out, so there will be a lot of people out on the street, and I don't try to get into that because it is freaking hot out here. I don't want to touch skin with another person, so I decided, yeah, I'm just gonna chill at home with my girlfriend. Not gonna do much, because after this is around the end of this month, we're gonna have another weekend holiday, which is 4 days. So I'm gonna go somewhere on that day, but you know, not today. Oh, look at this tree, so round. It is still pretty windy. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind hitting my helmet, but it is still pretty windy. But it's still hot as heck. And there's the guy behind me trying to go in front. What the heck is wrong with you? So the first video that I made in English is not that well received, because I don't know why, but maybe it's because of the audio and because of the content I'm putting out is not as, you know, attracting a lot of people to watch. But I'm gonna keep doing it. So on my channel there will be two types of videos. The first one is daily ride. Daily ride is my usual everyday motor vlog in Vietnamese. Talk about some Vietnamese stuff, you know, just chilling. And the other one is rider POV, which is this one right here, where I'm talking in English with you guys to show you guys everything is cool, fun that happening here in Vietnam. As a rider, as the name rider POV, you know, no helmet, cool, great parents. Yeah, so I think might be the new chapter for the channel. It's pretty cool. I get to share a lot of things I know with the person that don't know, rather than all the Vietnamese that know everything that I'm just going through. Oh, I should take a right there. It's okay. We have another one up here. So yeah. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. This is a motor vlog of a vlogger from Vietnam trying to make the video so it can go worldwide, so the people on the other side of the globe can see and knows about it. Just still an attempt. So if you guys want to see more crazy thing here in Vietnam, or you know, just ride and talk about things, give it a like, and you know, share it on you guys social media and group and stuff. I don't know, just, you know, it's pretty cool to share everything here in to the world. Okay, I'm heading to the place now. See you guys next time.